Sri Starvin Kharjana, the state president of the Khasi Disabilities Association, has got his vaccine today. Urge all the persons with disabilities of the state to kindly come forward for COVID vaccination. And this is the first dose for Sri Starvin Kharjana. After 84 days, Starvin Kharjana, he will be getting his second dose.
This is the first dose, second dose will get after 84 days. Okay. If he having fever, he can take paracetamol. If no fever, no need to take. Okay. Then do massage, do rub in this area. If having pain or might not. Okay. That it depends on his body. Okay. Then half an hour have to sit. After half an hour, you will collect that certificate from the registration counter.
So this is the information from the expert person with disabilities friends. Please kindly follow accordingly and have the vaccine. Sister, do you have any words for the person with disabilities in regards to the COVID-19 vaccination? How will you urge them to come forward?
About this one, I'm requesting all the people, if it's possible, if they can come for vaccination, because for their health only. If it's possible, it's better to come for this.
Thank you so much.
I support for this vaccination to all the people.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Starvin, pidon jingsing oe hadin jong injection.
Na baleng dong ang don jingsing oe na masno ba kali ki ai injection kadai ko na kilat kiba ninyada lupa ya kini ka jimpang kam ko bi kakanda kumta nga kanturu ya di wei pati bri ki bidan junduna dukat mat hapo ka jalan laya but kunju ya di ripat na baro kinong ba ini kan ai ya kani ketika kadai kawai na kala jiada te hindai satia bandan ka jing sutu bakla ka jing sa yalam bakla hatino kino ki brio namar ka ka bagi doktor dinas ka sorka kale kadai kale ya ka banghatam na paminta kari barokoi.
Starvin. Thank you.